Do you want to know?
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment. Ask me and I'll try to answer. Our topic today is how to disable comments on your video. Here are the steps to disable comments on your video. Number 1, on YouTube Studio, under the dashboard, choose content. Number 2, choose any video you want to disable comment. Number 3, click the edit icon. And number 4, the last one, scroll down and look for comments and rating. Then select disable comments. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.
Do you want to know?